Hi, I'm Rosa. Thank you for joining me. It's been one of those weeks where I did not even get a chance to film my menu plan beforehand, though I made one. I have it now to show you. So I'm going to show you my meal plan for the week. I'm going to show you how we did for the week and then recap it. I am videoing this from inside my car, and that's the best I can do today. So Sunday the 16th, leftovers and beans and escarole. Monday, chickpea patties and breakfast. Tuesday, chicken soup and rolls. Wednesday, leftovers. Thursday, out. Friday, I had Friday is lentils, and I had put question marks because I wasn't sure how I was going to make it. And Saturday, meatballs and pasta. And the groceries I needed was cilantro and ground pork. I needed to make beans and escarole, lentils, meatballs, meatloaf. Even though it's not on my menu plan, I wanted to make meatloaf and hummus. So what I had set out to do this week was make a few things to carry me over into the following week, and so that I could get some things into the freezer. That's why I had set out to make meatloaf but not have it on the menu, because I was making the meatloaf and the meatballs on the same day, and it worked out. I'll show you, and then it's going to carry into the next week as well. I had a grocery haul, or I stopped in for groceries at Sprouts and got 4 of the broth, both chicken and beef, some Biscoff cookies with vanilla, some dandelion greens, a red onion, some grapes, a box of ginger, tomatoes, bananas, and a bag of chips. And that came out to $66.32. I also stopped at Costco where I got avocados, celery, apples, a couple bags of chips, green beans, Sprouts, and strawberries. And that came out to $51.79. I picked up a few things at Publix. I got a 25-pound bag of carrots, some small bright brie, spinach, pretzel bread, Sausalito turkey, guava pastry, and a green pepper. And the total came to $52.17. I went to Whole Foods and I picked up dandelion greens, ground pork, some non-dipper breads, and 3 bags of chips. And the haul was $35.94. Stopped at an Italian market and picked up a few things, some desserts, some cookies, pasta, black rice, arancini balls that you really can't see, but they're in there, and little mini potato pancakes. And I went to this grocery store hungry, which is never a good thing. That's why we ended up with all this. I spent $74.40 at the Italian market. Went to Publix and got some Lipton onion soup mix, some ketchup, garlic bread, a Florida avocado, some ají cachucho, which is a pepper, sweet pepper, cilantro, escarole, and spinach. And that was my haul. This was $32.38. This is what lunch for my husband looks like today. Tomatoes, cucumbers, peppers, basil, a little bit of vinegar, and in the center is a chickpea patty that I made the other day. Just warmed it up and put that in the center and just seasoned everything up for him. Tonight's dinner is beans and escarole for my husband because he really enjoys this. So that is what he'll be having, and we're having leftovers. I have leftover mashed potatoes. I have leftover chicken from a night out, some barbecue, some fries. We're just gonna use up everything that's in the refrigerator. Dinner tonight are the chickpea patties, asparagus, breakfast for my son, and I also made guacamole that someone's already snacking on. Dinner tonight is soup, and someone was very sweet and sent us a chicken noodle soup, which I added spinach to, just to get some more vegetables in it. But that's dinner tonight, and the soup also came with rolls, and I'm pairing some salads with it. And that will be dinner tonight. Here's the soup. It looks really good. Tonight's dinner, well, this is dinner prep before dinner. My husband had some dental work, so he's having soup. My son's having chili hot dogs, or chili cheese dogs. We have some leftover fries and stuff. I will have whatever. I've been doing that lately, and I will heat this up shortly when they're ready to eat, and that's dinner. Simple. This is our smorgasbord, the black rice with the lentil curry, meatballs, arancini, potato pancakes, cucumber, cilantro, some marinara sauce, applesauce, just a little bit of everything so we can enjoy this meal. Dinner tonight is both pasta, meatballs and sauce, and beans and escarole, some salad, some garlic bread, just a little bit of different things that I've cooked up. You saw the videos of what we ate. I'm going to turn the camera around and go over the meal plan with you. We did leftovers on Sunday, which is good. We used up things in the refrigerator, and you saw the video of that. I made chickpea patties for my husband to have with salad on Monday, and breakfast for my son. We had chicken soup with rolls, and then leftovers on Wednesday. We did go out Thursday. Friday, I wasn't sure what kind of lentils I was gonna make, but I made the curry lentils. And then Saturday, I did a little cooking marathon. I made meatballs to have with pasta. I made meatloaf for the next week. And I just made a few things in the kitchen so that I could be ahead for the following week. I needed cilantro and pork. I picked those up. And I did make beans and escarole for my son, the lentils, meatballs, meatloaf, and hummus. You saw the groceries I picked up, and they totaled $313 even. And then eating out was $136.82 for a total of $449.82 for the week. Not too bad. When we bring together week 3 into the other weeks for the month, we come up with $594.85 that I've spent in groceries for the month, $581.96 in eating out for the month, for a total of $1,176.81 for the month. When I compare that total to February, in February we were at $1,653, so about $500 or a little less than $500 less than last month total spent. So we're doing pretty good so far. We did pretty good for March so far. One more week to go. And I'm ahead for the following week because I did that little cooking marathon, as I called it, on Saturday, where I made extra food. And I'm going to get some of those in the freezer as well, just like I've been doing the soups in the super cubes, so that we have meals in the freezer for the times when I'm a little bit more busy. Thanks for watching and coming along with me. I hope it motivates you as much as it motivates me, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.